Good day, everyone, and welcome. Before we look at a single technique, I want to plant one idea in your head that will make the rest of today click into place. So, welcome to Prompt Engineering and AI Agent. This is a practical, in-depth curriculum for prompting, reasoning framework, and agentic system, AI system built for every role across enterprise. So I remain your instructor, Markinjudge Ephraim Eze. So like I said earlier, before we look at a single technique, I want you all uh, to have this planted idea into your head because it will make the rest of today click into place. So everything we're about to learn is really about closing the distance between a human intention and a business outcome. So for everything we do, there must be a business value that is adding. For every action, there must be a business value. All right. So there must be a business outcome for everything we're going to be discussing today. All right. So look at the 5 boxes on the screen. We have human, prompt, AI, action, business value. That chain is the entire syllabus in just a miniature. So a person has something they want done that is human. They express it as a prompt, as an instruction, all right? AI system interprets that instruction, right? And it produces or triggers an action. And if we have done our job correctly across all of today's material, that action produces real business value, not a clever party trick, not an impressive demo, but something that measurably helps your organization. Here's why I'm starting here instead of jumping straight into the techniques that we are here to discuss. This is the reason, and this is the why. Most training on prompting treated like a big a bag of tricks or magical words that make the AI behave. That framing is not just incomplete, it is actively unhelpful because it teaches you to memorize phrases instead of understanding the underlying logic. Every technique you will see today, priming, chain of thought, react, multi-agent orchestration, is a different way of strengthening one or more links in this exact 5-link chain. Priming and the prompting anatomy strengthen the human to prompt link while making sure your intent survives translation into words. While reasoning framework strengthen the prompts to AI link, making sure the AI's internal thinking is sound and reliable. Agent architecture strengthen the AI to action link. So giving the AI the ability to actually do something in the real world, not just describe what it will do. And our section on evaluation, debugging, adoption, strengthen the action to business value link, making sure that what gets done is trustworthy enough to rely on. So I also want to say a word about this for you. This room has support analysts, security professionals, field engineers, developers, students, and business leaders in it. That's deliberate. The 5-link chain on this slide doesn't care what industry you are in. Whether it is support ticket, a security alert, or a broken printer, are all just different flavors of human has an intention. So As we go through today, I'll keep bringing in examples from different fields, and I want you to translate each ideas into your own world as we go. By the last slide, my goal is that every one of you, regardless of your starting point, can explain this 5 link chain to a colleague and can point to at least one place in your own job where strengthening one of these links would save real time and reduce real risk. The word agent gets used loosely in the industry. So, but by the end of part 3, you will have a precise, testable definition, not just a vibe. Notice the chain is a loop in practice, not a one-way street. Business value observed today reshapes what human asks for tomorrow. We will return to this when we cover the optimization lifecycle in part 4. This chain also doubles as a diagnostic tool. If an AI initiative in your organization isn't delivering value, you can walk backward through the chain and ask which link actually broke. You will agree with me. Often, it is not AI at all. It is a poorly formed prompt or a badly scoped action. So what are the common misconceptions in the room right now that could come up? Is that prompt engineering means finding secret magic phrases. But between you and I must tell you, it doesn't. It means being as clear with an AI as you would be with a competent new colleague, which is a skill, not a trick. And it's exactly what the next 6 slide teaches.